Alright guys, I know it's been a while since I've done a video. I'm going to show you this new deluxe suction blowgun kit I got. Just sucked all this water off the floor. I'm going to show you how well it works. Not very often you get something the same day, you got to try it out. So here, I'm going to show you how much this thing sucks. Got this drain that ain't draining. It's cold here in Ohio. So I'm just going to use this new sucker. Top of that like about 20 seconds when I started. We'll see how long it takes to fill this 5-gallon bucket up, guys. Watching the clock. In about 30 seconds, almost half full. Got it pretty well full, guys. But it has this pointed nozzle. I think it sucks pretty good. Woo! So it came with all these attachments. I didn't have this one on very good. Alright, let's finish getting this water off the floor, guys. Did it again, guys. Look at it sucking. Look how well it sucks. Sucking everything. I'd say it sucks pretty good. Guys, that should wrap up my video on the MTV 5. It's a Matco Tools suction gun kit with all sorts of attachments. Thanks for watching, guys. Best way to support my channel is hit that subscribe button. Thanks.